This is the new Fleetwood Sound Helios loudspeaker, and I'm really happy about how this has come out. This is a prototype floor stand. This will be made in 1/4-inch thick cold rolled steel, powder coated with a wrinkle finish like everything else from OMA and Fleetwood Sound. This is a prototype, it's a little wobbly, but David D'Imperio did a fantastic job with the industrial design on this speaker. I've talked a little bit about how this is kind of a revolutionary speaker in terms of what we can offer at a price point that's as accessible as really, anything we can make. And it's only because we've had now the experience of being here in this factory, functioning for a bit more than 6 years. We're in building 2. The wood shop is in building 1. We have a 22,000 square foot wood shop, and only because we have such a wood shop, only because we're in Pennsylvania, and this is made out of solid Pennsylvania oak, which is torrefied here in Pennsylvania, only because of these sort of economies, not of scale, but of location, are we efficient enough to finally be able to offer something like this. And then the fact that this driver shows up and becomes available allows us to make something in this size. Now, you might say, well, Jonathan, you've made jokes over the years about conventional high-end audio, and for that matter, consumer speakers and the box thing. And what I can say is that the challenge here, which has been how to take this size volume that the speaker needs to function, and the box allows us to economically produce this. How can we make this into a design object that's really like something that you just want to have in your room? That's a beautiful thing. And the only way we could do that is because we make speakers out of solid Pennsylvania hardwoods. And we're the only company in the world that does that. We're the only company in the world that I know of that makes joinery construction, hardwood loudspeakers, horn-loaded loudspeakers. So this is all real wood. You can't make this kind of relief out of veneer. There's no veneer. We don't do veneer. It's only because it's this thick that you can carve it out and you get this visual interest. And then with the stands, each one has a different application, a different use function, but each one gives the speaker a different facet of its personality. So this is the floor stand. I want to come and show you the other stand options. So with the new Fleetwood Sound Helios loudspeaker, this is in torrefied Pennsylvania oak, and this is in a black, it's kind of like a show sugiban finish, that Japanese finish that's quite popular, but it's not burnt. It's making use of the nature of Pennsylvania oak and what we can do with it. You've got a whole bunch of different ways that you can use this speaker, which is really important and really a big part of how we envision the thing to begin with. So you could buy the speaker just as this box and put it on a shelf like next to that little cool English preamp without anything. Now, I will say that you don't want to take our speakers or any speakers and shove them into a bookcase. That's just not a great use application for a speaker, because speakers produce sound and the sound wraps around the speaker, and the sound wants to see air, right? Because sound waves move through air. And so you don't want to occlude that movement. It makes any speaker sound kind of shut in. But you can take the speaker and put it on a shelf. You can put it on top of a surface. If you put it on top of a surface, though, we've got this super cool stand, which is an option. It allows you to tilt it up, to tilt it down. It lifts the speaker off of the surface, makes it float, and it's just a fantastic design from David D'Imperio, who also did the floor stand, and he did this wall stand. Now, the wall stand is super cool because it doesn't just go up and down with a quite good range of motion. It also can go side by side. And it is like all of these stands made out of heavy 1/4 inch thick, this weighs a ton, beautifully made by us, steel with a black powder coat. So this is what mounts to the wall. This is very important for me because I want to see this speaker replacing the horrible garbage that's in every restaurant and every hotel lobby and that I go into these days. You know what I'm talking about, right? You go into the restaurant, I don't care how posh it is, and the speakers are in the corner of the wall and the ceiling all around. And they're all bouncing the same crap sound. They're just awful cheap speakers, and there's a ton of them. And they create a cacophony, a chaos of sound. So you can't hear the person, the people that you're with. You can't enjoy the music even if you could hear it properly, because the way in which audio is being done in these public spaces is a disaster. This is a solution. You take 2 or a few more of these in a very large space, and you let them play. And you don't have a ton of them. And if you're running a bar, restaurant, hotel, that's a lot cheaper. And you don't have to have an AV integrator running all these speakers in your ceilings and walls, and then things go wrong, and you have to call them in and figure out. No, it could be so simple. A pair of speakers like this, a source, could be streaming, could be a CD player, could be a turntable, hopefully it's a turntable. And you're done. And you know what? People will be so happy that you did that. They'll enjoy your restaurant, your bar, your hotel so much more. And of course, you can have this in your home too. Obviously, 2 of these and you're done. And maybe a fundamental sub. So you got really 4 ways in which the Helios can be used. There will be an active version and a passive version. So the active version, you just feed it with a source. The passive version, you can use whatever amps you want, but they do need a bit of power because the driver's small, and so you can only expect so much efficiency out of a small box and a small driver. But it's a compromise that we were definitely willing to make, and I hope that these find a very wide distribution because this is what the world needs right now. A small, pretty affordable, but really high quality and beautiful loudspeaker that you can use just about any place.